Don't download BetterHelp therapy app before watching this. Before you download BetterHelp, here's a key insight most people miss. It's not just messaging with a therapist. BetterHelp offers counseling via chat, video, and phone, but results depend on engagement, fit, and realistic expectations. Step 1. Identify your goals. Are you seeking anxiety management, relationship counseling, or personal growth? Most people get this wrong by starting sessions without clarity, limiting progress. Step 2. Find the right therapist. Match with a licensed professional aligned with your needs. The surprising truth is, switching therapists early can be better than staying with a poor fit. Step 3. Engage consistently. Scheduled sessions, homework, and check-ins maximize benefits. Users who only sporadically message see minimal improvement. Step 4. Be honest and proactive. Transparency about thoughts and emotions allows therapists to provide tailored guidance. Skipping this reduces the value of therapy. Step 5. Review progress. Reflect on insights, mood changes, and coping skills. Those who ignore progress often lose motivation. The upside: proper use of BetterHelp can improve mental health, build coping strategies, and provide accessible counseling. Users who engage fully report significant improvements in stress, anxiety, and life satisfaction. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you're ready to set goals, find the right therapist, engage consistently, and reflect on progress. Casual or inconsistent use rarely delivers meaningful results. Subscribe for tips on getting the most from online therapy platforms.